Hey everyone, welcome to How to by Asad. Today I'll show you how to check if your iPhone display is original or fake using just your iPhone. Let's get started. Step 1. Check display verification in settings. First go to settings, scroll down to general and then tap about. Here if you have an iPhone 11 or later, you'll see a section called parts and service history. If your screen has been replaced and it's an original Apple display, it will say genuine Apple part. If you see something like unable to verify this iPhone display, it's likely a third party or fake display. Keep in mind this feature is only available on iPhone 11 and newer models. If you're using an older iPhone, don't worry, we'll cover more ways to check. Step 2. Check True Tone and Night Shift features. Next, check for features like True Tone and Night Shift. Go to settings, then display and brightness. If your display is original, you see the option for True Tone. Fake displays usually don't support this feature, so if True Tone is missing, that's a red flag. You can also try toggling Night Shift on and off. An original display will adjust the screen color smoothly, while fake ones may struggle with this. Step 3. Check color accuracy and brightness. Now let's check the color accuracy and brightness. Open an app with a white background like Notes. Look closely at the white color. An original display will have a natural white tone, while a fake screen might look overly blue, yellow, or uneven. Step 4. Test touch responsiveness. Touch sensitivity is another clue. Try drawing something in Notes or using gesture-heavy apps. If the screen feels laggy or the touch isn't smooth, it could be a fake display. Original screens are highly responsive, even with light touches. Step 5. Polarized sunglasses test. If you have polarized sunglasses, here is a cool test. Wear them and look at your screen. An original Apple display will still look clear, but fake screens might show strange colors or reflections. Step 6. Use diagnostic apps for confirmation. For a more detailed check, you can use apps like Phone Doctor Plus or connect your iPhone to a computer and use 3U tools. These tools can analyze your device and confirm if the screen is original or not. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily verify if your iPhone display is original or fake. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to How to by Asad, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.